Hey everybody, welcome to the channel.
All right, outstanding. I got some seeds. These are snow peas. Snowbirds are going to put those in soon. You want to do those in March. Green beans will do probably around June. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I'll hold off on that. We got peppers and tomato, broccoli. So these 5 for sure we're going to plant. All right, I found, I saved just about everything. These are going to be perfect for getting the seeds started in. I got also these. Pardon the cobwebby mess. We'll start, we're going to do probably a whole flat. I've never tried this before. It's called Back to the Roots Organic 3-in-1 Seed Starting Mix. So that's what we're going to use. You get a lot of zucchini. They keep growing. You see they're like pumpkin seeds almost. I think we're going to do 6 of those. And we'll save them for next year. My grandfather used a bunch of seeds. He just planted all kinds of stuff. They were in pill bottles and really old. He was a way better gardener than me. See that? Look at that. We have an on and off. Our new grow light. Has timer on there. It brightens. Not sure what that means. Shut it off. Turn it on so we can see better. Should have brought a knife in here with me. And maybe I'll plant all these. We'll see what we have total here. I don't want to get too carried away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Come on, we'll get out of there. There we go. Broccoli. I've grown broccoli here. A lot of people don't really grow broccoli or don't have luck with it. But I think I have a pretty good solution. More on that later. I think I'm going to do a row of each here. Each item. And see where we're at. See what these broccolis look like. Oh, puts. Anybody's guess how these are going to turn out? Alright. I'll tuck that in here. I think I'll do the herbs in a different size container. I don't know. This is kind of what I've always dreamed of doing right here, right now. I mean, it's taken a lot of time and a lot of energy in my life to get to this point where we can play around in a greenhouse. I like these Roma tomatoes. This is what we're going to do next. You kind of get the best of both worlds. You know, you can... In fact, I only got Romas this time. They're good in salads, sauce, slicing them up, even putting them on a sandwich if you have to. So that's why I went with these. I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on stuff this time. Usually I spend several hundred on plants and stuff. And this year I said, well, I'm going to try these seeds out. So I'm just going to shake them onto my hand here. There's not many in there. I think we'll put all these in here, like maybe a couple in each one. I don't know, yeah, 2 just to be safe. Tomatoes kind of can really overtake your garden anyways. Like I'm making quite a mess in here, but That's what a greenhouse is supposed to be. It's supposed to come in here, relax, have fun, talk to plants, talk to your seeds, give them an education on how to grow up. And it's about, what is it, pushing 6 o'clock. Look at these are light color, so they're, think about when you cut a pepper, there's a bunch of seeds inside, so these are relatively small. Okay, there's our vegetables. I think I'm just gonna sprinkle these in. Basil's kind of a bush anyways when it grows, so we'll see what comes up here. So this light, I'm gonna see how long it stays on. I don't know how it's gonna work tonight, but this will be the first night. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna periodically check it through the night, see if it still has power. These LEDs use a lot less, energy, so we'll see how it does. All right, so nothing fancy here. I just have a gallon jug here. All right, so I'm just gonna trickle some water in. We'll see how this works. Hear that dripping down. By the way, I just have a pea gravel floor in here. So we got these damn, I'm gonna come out and water these every day. I'm also gonna center these a little better under the lamp. So use the rest of this water up. All right, just got home. Let's see what the greenhouse is looking like. All right, so this thing's working pretty good. It charges during the day and I don't know, holds charge. Stays bright out here for about 8 hours a night, I've noticed. I have some green coming in after about a week.
Cool, the broccoli came up.
Everything else is slow going. Don't see much progress. I might brighten this light in here. It can go way brighter, but that's where we are after 1 week. Granted, it's been cold. It's been pretty cold at night. Let's see what the temperature's in here. Got up to maybe 55 today. Not as warm as I'd like it to be, but hey, that'll work. As long as it's not below 32 in here. All right, so give this a little water in and hopefully some progress starts happening here soon. But I think I see 4. All right, well, it's the broccoli. It's the quickest to germinate.
All right, well, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.